Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I heartily welcome you in my maths class. Today we will do exercise 1.6. Yes, this exercise sums you will do in your maths notebook. Yes students, here is new topic for you. So take your notebooks and books with you, and here we start. Listen it carefully. It's very easy topic. Yes, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. How to round off the numbers? Yes, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. We are taking the example E part, 88. 88 is here. How to round off the numbers? Yes, when to round off the numbers to the nearest 10? You know which place digit is there? 10. Yes, we will write the digits according to the places. Ones, tens. 88 is there. We will write the digits like this. Yes, now you have to convert round off the number to the nearest tens. While doing rounding to the nearest 10, we will observe the digit of the ones place. We will observe the digit of the ones place, and the digit that you have to observe, that we will make it 0. 8 will become 0. In place of 8, now we will write 0. Now to the nearest tens we have to round. Now by observing ones place digit, we will write tens place digit. Yes, ones place digit will become 0 and tens place digit will be written according to the ones place. If a ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will become next digit. Now you can see here it is 8. It is more than 5. Ones place digit is more than 5. So tens place digit will become next. It will become 9. 88 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 90. It has become 90. Yes, now how you will write this? We will write 88 rounded off to nearest 10 is 90. Yes, now we will do one more sum from here. Yes, it is H part 46. Yes, it is 46. We will write the digits according to the places. Ones, tens. Here is 4, here is 6. It will become 0. Yes, now we will observe the digit of ones place and we will write the digit of tens place. You can see ones place digit is more than 5. So tens place digit will become next. It will become 5 because it is 6. It is more than 5, greater than 5. Yes, so this digit will become next, and 4's next is 5. Yes, so it has become 50. 46 rounded off to nearest 10 is 50. We will write 46 rounded off to nearest 10 is 50. Yes, one more part we will do from here. We will do F part, that is 43. We will do F part, that is 43. Yes, we will write the places ones, tens. Here 4 and here 3. This digit will become 0. We have to observe this, and tens place digit will be written as 4 only. Why? It has not changed. Why? Because you can see here ones place digit is less than 5. It is less than 5. So tens place digit will not change. It will remain as it is. Yes, now 4 will be written as it is. Yes, here we have changed it. Why? Because ones place digit was more than 5. That's why 4 has become next and it is 5. Here you can see 3 is less than 5, so 4 will remain 4 only. And we can write here that 43 rounded to nearest tens is 40. Yes friends, hope you have understood this. You will get more clearance about the topic when you will do the sums by yourself. Other parts you will do, there are the 9 sums. Out of 9 I have done 3, and other 6 parts you will do in your maths notebook. Yes, now next is again rounding of the numbers. It is round of the following numbers to the nearest 100. In first sum it was nearest 10. Yes, and now it is nearest 100. See how we will do these sums. Firstly we will do A part. Yes, sum number 2. It is round the numbers, round of the numbers to the nearest 100. In first sum it was nearest tens, now it is nearest 100. How to do? See here, A part is there, 132. We will write the digits according to the places, ones, tens, 100. Yes, now what to do? Yes, here it is round the numbers to the nearest 100. We will observe the digit of tens place. Yes, you can see while doing the rounding to the nearest 10, we have observed the digit of ones place. Yes, now while doing the rounding of nearest 100, we will observe the digit of tens place. Yes, and see here carefully, it will become 0. Ones place digit will become 0. Yes, it will also become 0. The digit that we have to observe, that will become 0, and the number that is after that, means ones digit will become 0, tens digit will also become 0, and if there will be change, that will be at 100 place. If tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, then 100 place digit will be written next. Now you can see here it is less than 5, so 100 place digit will not change, it will remain 1 only, because tens place digit is less than 5. So here you can see 100 place digit will not change, so it will remain only 1. Yes, so we can write that 132 rounded off to nearest 100 is 100. We will write 132 rounded off to nearest 100 is 100. Yes, now we have done A part. After that we will do E part. Yes, what is E part? The statement is 995. See this sum very much carefully. Yes, we will write the digits according to the places. Here 995. While doing the rounding to the nearest 100, we will observe the digit of tens place. Ones place digit will become 0. It will also become 0. Yes. Now change will be there in 100 place digit. Why it will be change? Because you can see tens place digit is more than 5. Tens place digit is more than 5. So 100 place digit will be written next, and 9's next is 10. So it will become 1000. 995 rounded to nearest 100 is 1000. So we will write here 995 rounded to nearest 100 is 1000. Yes friends, see one more sum relating to this. Yes, we will do sum number H part we will do. Yes, what is the statement? It is 726. Firstly we will write the digits according to the places. Ones, tens, 100. Here 7 to 6. Nearest 100 we have to change, round off, so we will observe the digit of tens place. It will become 0. It will also become 0. and here will be no change in the 100 place digit. Why? Because you can see tens place digit is less than 5. It is less than 5. So 726 rounded to nearest 100 is 700. 726 rounded to nearest 100 is 700. Yes students, hope you have understood all these sums. Now you will do first and second sum of this exercise in your maths notebook and do the revision of these sums also. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.